Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing, the review, the tutorial on the Kylie Cosmetics 22nd birthday pressed pigment palette. If you guys want to see what I think about the palette, how to get this look, and if I recommend this palette to everyone else, just keep on watching. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey, let's get started. So as you guys can tell, I already did my face makeup. I usually never do this. I do eyes first and then face, but since this is a little review, I go ahead and finish up my face and it's looking pretty snatched. So I'm gonna dive right in. I have my package right here, and let me tell you, it's been a minute since I've ordered anything from Kylie Cosmetics. I love her palettes. Like, straight up, I love her palettes. I love the colors that she puts together in one palette because it doesn't look like every other palette. You get what I'm saying? Maybe they're not the best texture, the smoothness or whatever, but I don't know. I gravitate to her palettes very much. And this, for one, was like, whoa, I like that. And this palette has pressed pigments, so it's not like an eyeshadow palette. It says pressed pigments. So yeah, it's kind of like the James Charles palette. If you guys haven't already watched my videos on that review, his is also pressed pigments. So in that case, the formula is going to be completely different. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm gonna just jot down a couple, details you guys have to know. Don't mind these little cotton pads. I do this so it doesn't indent your hair, by the way, FYI. I have to go get those like professional ones. So this collection came out August 10th, and when I saw the collection, I gravitated to the palette because of the colors and the shimmers and everything like that. So I only bought the palette in this collection. It came out August 10th and it was 9 a.m. I rolled out of bed, ordered it real quick. The palette was $48. And whenever you're on the website and you're like kind of checking out what's on the website, it actually has like a little pop-up that says put your email in and you'll get $10 off. So if you guys are ordering stuff from her website, just kind of browse a little bit. Don't like rush, because that pop-up will come up and you will get $10 off if you put your email. And if you already are subscribed, like have a subscription to that email, put another email so you can get your $10 off, girl. Just helping you guys out over here, okay? So instead of 48, it was 38 for me, and it came hella fast. Like that night, I got a freaking email saying your makeup is basically being packed and ready to ship out, which I was like, whoa. And I got it literally like 2 days after. It was super fast. I was like, wow, okay, look at you. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up. It's nice and pink, my favorite color, as you guys can tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up. There we go. Okay, nice and packaged up, nice and secured. Oh, girl, okay. Oh, look at this. She looks fire. 22 years young. Yes, she has a little note for me. This is a really cute picture. She looks like a badass. I really like this picture. Now, I can't tell if you guys will take me seriously with these little pads on my ears. Should I take them off? Because I feel like you guys will take me seriously if there's not like cotton pads in my face. Nah, I'm gonna keep them in. Because that's me, If you can't take me at my worst, you can't take me at my best, honey. I'm gonna keep these right in. All right, this is a pretty heavy palette, not gonna lie. Wow, this is really heavy. What the hell? So it looks like this. There's hella glitter. It's loose glitter, so you literally go like this, the glitter will come off. Can I just share a little blonde moment I had? I swear to God, if I'm the only one that had this issue, then I'm gonna feel like a moron. When she first came out with this palette, right, with this whole collection, and she was showing us unboxing, reveal, whatever, right? And when she showed me this, I was trying to read it, and I was like, you're $0 money, baby? I was like, what? And I kept on reading it, like, you're zero money, baby. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. And then something clicked, okay? And I was like, oh, it says, you're so money, baby. I was like, oh my God. Hold on. You're so stupid. Hold on. I was literally cracking up for like 20 minutes. I was like, how could I not put 2 and 2 together? A girl puts 2 and 2 together really fast. This, I don't know. It was a color. I don't know. I was just like, what? What is this saying? But anyway, enough chatting. Let's get right in. Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette. So it's not an eyeshadow palette. We got the names on the back. Let's see if there's gonna be names on the front, because that shit pisses me off. Ooh. Right when you open it, you see them dollar bills, y'all. Dollar bills. Put up. Watch that fall out. Oof. That's good packaging, dude. One thing I appreciate with her is she goes in with the packaging. Can we just like take a moment and look inside? It looks real. Like you just want to be like, oh, is that for me? And it looks like this. So it's the same thing as the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I love the money falling from the mirror. It reminds me of Rihanna. This is so pretty. This just makes me want to do 7 different videos, which I probably will, let's be real. And I'm gonna be using this palette for a minute, if it's good. And one thing, thank God, there's names on the front. I hate when the names are on the back, because when I'm trying to tell you guys what I'm using, and I'm trying to align it, like which one I'm using, it's a mess, okay? Just put the names on the front. It's much easier, cleaner. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. I literally said that 7 times, but can we just look at that green? Oof. So one thing I want to do before I get started is add some translucent powder under my eyes, because since this is pressed pigments, that's a recipe for fallout. So if you guys don't want to be wiping away shadow from underneath your eyes when you have makeup on your face already, put some powder so it's easier to wipe away, because if you don't put powder and you wipe it away, it's gonna streak and that's gonna be a disaster. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Laura Mercier and just add some powder. Okay, not only do I have cotton pads above my ear, now I have translucent powder on my face. I'm gonna start off with some MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is my favorite to prime the eyes. I don't know what look I'm gonna go for, because there's so many beautiful colors that I'm kind of like, which one do I use, right? This is giving me such like watermelon vibes, because I see pink, I see greens, and I kind of want to incorporate those 2 colors together, because it'll be super fun, you know? You guys, I'm gonna be honest, I couldn't do it with the translucent powder under my eyes. I just looked way too crazy. So if we have fallout, we have fallout. I'll deal with it. And now the time has come. I'm gonna go into blue faces, and I love that there's money signs embedded into the shadow. And I am going to pop that in the crease. Usually when I use her other palettes, they're kind of chalky, but this one's pretty smooth. And then I'm gonna go into Stacks, which is this beautiful green shade right here. I'm gonna pop this into the crease. Oh, wow. Okay. This is pigmented for sure. Use a super light hand and don't pick up too much, because you see this is kind of going everywhere because there's a lot of shadow on my brush. This is low-key like really cute. I'm down to just leave it like this and call it a day. Now I'm gonna go into Work For It and mix that with On a Budget. So they're 2 really soft pink colors. I'm just going to pick that up and just blend. Blend, blend, blend. So we have a little pop of pink, because I want the lid to be mostly pink. And then we'll have the pop of green somewhere else. All right, just like that, super soft, just a little subtle pop of pink. And then I'm gonna go into Bands. That reminds me of Bands That Make You Dance. I love these names, they're so her. Really goes with the theme of this whole palette. Oh wow, you guys, this is super pigmented, which is great. I'm gonna pop that at the end corner and just blend that into the crease. Now for the fun part. I don't know which pink to go into. This one looks beautiful, this one looks beautiful, and this one's gorgeous. I think I'm gonna go into 22 Candles. Let's just go ahead and add that all over the lid. What the hell? When I picked up 22 Candles, it's more of like, is this a topper? I don't know. I didn't look too much into what each shadow is, but this might be an eyeshadow topper to just top on some eyeshadow glitter. I'm not liking this. Okay, I'm gonna pick up MAC Fix Plus, spray my brush and see if anything different will happen. Okay, There's definitely a difference, but I'm not getting that like glitter that I want, which is fine. We'll move on to a different glitter, but we're gonna just move into something else, and I'm gonna go into Goal Setter, and I'm going to add this. Okay, see, yeah, this is pigmented. I'm thinking the other one was a topper, because this one's working well. You see, that's pigmented. That's nice. I'm gonna add 22 right on top. I love just mixing glitter shadows to see what kind of color you can actually get from it. Now with my ring finger, I'm gonna go into 22 candles and just see it's super pigmented on the finger. But what if I just pop this on top? Okay, yeah, this is much better. Now I did get a little bit of fallout, as you guys can see, super minimal. I'll go ahead and wipe that away after I'm done with everything because I'm not done yet. As I do with every other review video, I literally don't know what I'm going into when I do the video. I kind of just make up the look on the spot. So I'm really liking how this is going on. I kind of want to make it smoky now. So I'm going to go into Breaking Records, and I'm just going to add that at the end, blend it into the crease, start to smoke it out, just like that. Now I'm gonna go into the first shade that I went into, which was Blue Faces. Super lightly, just blend everything that we just made on our eyelid. Now I'm gonna pick up a black liner. This is Dose of Colors liner in Caviar. Shit is so hard to open. And I'm gonna line my waterline and tight line. I'm gonna pick up my Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I'm gonna add the thinnest line over my lash line, because when you put the falsies, you don't want to see that difference. You want it just to blend right into your makeup. So I'm gonna add the thinnest line. Oh, and by the way, Kylie did come out with a liner just like this in her collection, but since I already had one, I didn't want to order it. So if you guys have tried that out, leave a comment down below and let me know how it is. All right, I'm gonna go into Lilly lashes in the style Miami, and I will be right back to finish up the look. All right, now that I have my lashes on, isn't it so cool how you do a makeup look and you're like, wait, how does this look? And then you put the false lashes on, you're like, you're looking like a snack. All right, I'm gonna pick up Blue Face, which is the original shade that we started off with, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect what we have going on top. Whatever you have on the bottom aligns with what you have on top. And then with an angled brush, I'm gonna go into Breaking Records, and I'm gonna line super close to the lash line. And then using Work For It, I'm going to blend away everything we have underneath, any harsh lines. This will help to make it look seamless. And I like to get kind of low, like where your bags would be if you didn't have a nice night of sleep. I like to go a little bit low so it's super dramatic, you know? I'm gonna make it just a little bit darker with that Breaking Record shade. Now, I don't know if I want to add gold in the inner corner, a pink in the inner corner, or that lime green. I think I'm going to go in with the lime green because you know me, I like to do things way different. So I'm going to pick up Time for Cake, and I'm going to add that on the inner corner. Oh my god, this is so cute! I love! Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I die. That looks so nice. That's like the perfect touch. Hold on, let's add MAC Fix Plus. And it matches my nails. Come on. Let's see with MAC Fix Plus. Whoa. Poppin'. I think I'm gonna just add bottom mascara and we're done. We're done with this makeup look, and I will give you my exact thoughts on this palette. Okay, I'm finally done with my final look and I am obsessed. Okay, hold on. Let's get a little close up. I love that contrast of the green and the brown, because if you put brown, it's gonna be too brown, and if you put just green, it's gonna be too green. So when you blend them together, it gives that like right shade. It's so nice. I love it. All right. $48, 16 shades, beautiful packaging, and a beautiful eye look. I am obsessed. I'm gonna break it down for you guys. The other Kylie Cosmetics palettes that I do have are completely different consistency whenever I put on the eyeshadow. They're a little bit dry, a little bit chalkier. Since this is a pressed pigment, it does apply differently, and I love the way it applied. It is so smooth. It goes on very well. The only thing is, I wish that the two shades, the one in the inner corner and on top of my my eye were a little bit more pigmented, but they might be an eyeshadow topper. I'm not sure. But the other shimmer shadows were definitely pigmented. I'm not completely sure if they are a topper, but you can even tell in the consistency of the shadow. It's chunkier, it's a little bit bigger in the flakes, so it definitely is something different. It's not a regular shimmer shadow, but whatever it is, it's a beautiful shade. I just wish it was a little bit more pigmented. So $48, we got a beautiful look over here. I definitely recommend getting this palette and giving it a try. If you guys have tried this palette or anything else in the collection, leave a comment down below. Let your girl know. I'm really obsessed. I love pink eyes. Not pink eye, but like pink eyes. When you do makeup, oof, it looks so good with brown eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing review tutorial all in one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.